Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, as you have seen already on thumbnail, in this video I am going to tell you how to make mistake and what are the benefit of making mistake. And actually I think after listening my world you have been surprised, I think. But yes, I am going to tell you the reality behind making mistake and how can you improve yourself just after making mistake, because I have also made mistake many time in my past time, and often I make mistake every day. But I don't fear of making mistake, because my dear friends, English is not our language, it's not our native language, it are foreigner language. So it is so obviously we will make mistake when we start speaking. So my dear friend, if you are also suffering from this type of thinking, this type of problem, so please don't worry and get ready for removing all these type of fears and scared. So my dear friends, please keep watching this video until complete, and so that you can learn, you can know the ideas behind making mistake, the ideas which is going to be very beneficial for you. So my dear friends, please keep watching this video. Dear friends, first of all I would like to tell you about myself, because I have made many mistakes in my past time. Even I am also making mistake every day, but I don't fear, because my dear friends, there are many students who have learned English very well, but unfortunately they are not able to speak. Why? What is the reason behind? Actually, the student who have learned English only, but they do not start speaking. So I think this is not fair for them. And if you have learned whether too much English or little English, so I think you should try to speak, because if you are not trying to speak, it means that you are not exhibiting your hidden talent. Yes, of course, my dear friends, speaking English a one type of talent, because there are so many students in the world, but there are very little person, very less person who know English very well and who speak English. And I think if there are 100% English speaker, among them I think only 3% people are speaking good English. I mean to say quite right English. But I think 97% speaker they speak English many times they speak bad English, and they speak wrong English like me, because I speak English very bad. I don't say that I speak English very well, because I am just a learner, and I know very well that while learning people make mistake often. So my dear friends, this is the point which you should also adopt in your mind, and so that you start speaking. And my dear friend, in your initial time, it is sure that you will make mistake. Without making mistake, you cannot correct yourself. I have told you this word many times, and this is reality also. If you fear of making mistake, you cannot speak, you cannot learn English fluently. So my dear friends, please do not fear of making mistake, because mistakes are our first step of success. And there are many scientists in the world who made mistake many times, and after that they also created the history in the world. So my dear friends, if you want to learn English, you just have to speak only. There is nothing to worry about, because you are a just learner like me, and there are so many students. And please do not care for society, because I think society always criticize you, but you have to see yourself, you have to keep your eyes, keep your mind towards your goal, and you need not worry about society. You need not worry about the people are laughing at you, and such type of thinking are negative point for you, my dear friends. Such type of thinking won't let you go ahead. So I think you should you should go ahead from such type of negativity and such type of thinking and mentality. So my dear friend, please start speaking. And if you yes, I think, my dear friend, there are so many students who want to speak English, but unfortunately they do not have any partner with whom they can speak, with whom they can talk. So in this situation, if you don't have any friend and you and any partner, so please make your partner. Minimum you have to make a partner with whom you can talk about anything. So my dear friend, if you have a partner, and if you are talking with your partner, and if you make several mistakes, he will also remind you, he will also tell you that you are making mistake, and then you can improve yourself. Otherwise, if you are speaking alone, if you are talking in front of your mirror, so you make mistake, but there is nobody who can interrupt you while you are making mistake. So how can you improve yourself? Because I have seen many person who always tell that you should talk in front of your mirror, and you can improve, then you can improve your English. But I think it's not works good. So minimum you have to make a mistake, you will have to make a friend with whom you can talk about. And if you have made a friend, you should choose a topic, and you should debate, you should debate and you should discuss about that topic. And while discussing about topic, you would get that there are so many ideas, and there are so many words which is used by you, which will be used by you. So I think, my dear friend, this is the main idea if you want to learn English. And actually in this video I had not thought about this idea already. That's why I have to think again and again just before speaking. So my dear friends, this is the language, and language comes from our mind, and what we think, we express that thinking through our mouth and tongue. So obviously while this process, people make mistakes, and in whole world people make mistakes. So I think this is not very bad matter, and because we are just a learner, my dear friend. And second point is that you should also read books, because reading books are very beneficial for us. Because while reading books, we can correct our pronunciation, because there are so many words in our books which we cannot speak properly. And because these words are some typical in its pronunciation. So if we are reading book daily, and there we get so many words of English language, and we also pronounce them, and we learn how to pronounce them, and then we can pronounce the clear and very suitable way. So my dear friend, these are the ideas, and which I wanted to. So my dear friend, these are ideas which I wanted to share with you, and I thought that you should also follow these tips and tricks, so that you may improve yourself. And I will also get some more ideas for you, and I will suggest you in another video, so that you may understand my words, and you may understand the reality of speaking, and how could we learn English properly. So my dear friend, in this lesson, this is that's all, and we will meet in other video. Till then, take care and